Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to sign up for HSBC Bank online banking account. HSBC or Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation is a multinational bank with wide range of financial product and services. Now, to sign up for this account, open your preferred browser. Here I am opening Google. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.hsbc.co.uk. UK stands for Country Code of United Kingdom. Now you will be led to the home page of HSBC Bank. Now here you can see three options, either for your personal use, your business use, or for your corporate use. For this video, I am going for personal. You can also register your HSBC banking account from your mobile device by downloading the application on your phone. Now at the down we can see the option register now. We need to click over there. Now before registering you need to verify your account. Likewise you need to create your security details. Now after you are done reading these terms and conditions, you can simply click on continue. Now at this page we need to choose a verification method, that is either your sort code and account number, credit card number, Invest Direct account number, or your PIMS account number. For this video we will be going for the sort code and account number. After you're done choosing, you can simply click on continue. Now here you need to write down your 6-digit code number. Likewise you need to write down your account number. Write down your date of birth. You need to write down your telephone security number. You can also use another option to sign up for your HSBC Bank. Likewise, after you are done writing your information, you can simply click on continue. Then you will be guided to the next page where you need to set your username and your password. Likewise, you need to select your security questions and enter the correct answer for your security questions so that it will be help for your any problem regarding logging into your account, also for your security reasons. After that, you will get a code on your text message or email, so make sure to check it and enter the code. With this, a verification process will be completed. And this is how easily you can sign up for your HSBC banking account. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.